All right, well today we are at Les Schwab Tire Center. We're getting some new tires on the rig here, and so I figured what better time than now to do the RV tour. Alright, now there's still about 10 to 15% that we have not completed on this, so I'm going to show it a little bit more towards the end. And I'm going to start off here at the dinette that's currently down, and you get a nice picture of the wallpaper pattern that we decided to put in. We really like this wallpaper pattern. Replaced the curtains with the gray, and here you can see, we completely recovered the dinette. I'm not going to pull that up right now just because it's kind of in travel mode at the moment while we're waiting for Les Schwab to take care of the tires. So I'm going to back up here to this trim piece that you can also see here. It's actually like a stair trim piece. It works really well for edging. I've done that in my teardrop trailer as well. Everything's been repainted. New countertops that we've got on here that they're these peel and stick tiles. This brick pattern here is also peel and stick, and then we noticed in a couple spots it would come off basically where I hadn't got to the caulking yet that I put around it, and once that was on, I've had zero issues with it staying up. So it's not the cheapest of solutions, but it works really, really well. And of course, we've got the first fridge magnet on the range. Definitely going to be getting some more of those. We went through and painted all of these, put on some brand new hardware, and so really liking that. The stove is the same. We haven't really done anything with that besides a pizza stone. The fridge was repainted. The inside, of course, was left the same that way. I went ahead and reupholstered the whole couch here, along with that kickboard down to the bottom with that same fabric. Now that fabric is actually drop cloth, which worked out really, really well. Continuing that wallpaper theme, and in one of my previous videos you got a little sneak peek of this here that we just left the glass in, put the wallpaper directly over the glass, and then hot glued everything in. Works awesome. Absolutely love that. New hardware, all this silver is perfect for the theme. And then a little bit different, we tried flowery wallpaper towards the back there. We're not sure if we're going to keep that, but repainted everything back here, new bedding of course, and this is the part that is just the last bit that we have to do the touch up on. All this brown is going to get painted black. The shower, we're not quite sure what we're going to do with yet. We know we're not going to keep the flower pattern on the wall in the shower itself, but we're going to come back to that another day, another video for that project. And then same thing over here. This is all this brown is getting painted black. And then the same kind of stuff we have on the dinette. Top this here. Put all of the cords that we have coming up to the TV in a wire loom, which makes it so much nicer. We were very happy to have that not as messy because of that. And then the only other thing left in here that's really to do is the carpet. We're going to get that changed out. Alright, so that's the overview for you. Now, one thing that I touched on kind of towards the end there was all the electrical and the wire loom coming up to the TV. Why do we need that, you may ask? Because if we go down here, this cupboard, we've got a PS2 the DVD Blu-ray player, and the NES, one of those small NESs that they released recently. And so we've got all these wires running up and to the TV, so plenty of entertainment if we needed it while we're out. They told me that I needed to put the trailer right over there, right in front of that street sweep, so I'm gonna see if I can get this over there by myself using the GoPro with the Wi-Fi, or if I'm gonna need to snag one of them to get me over there. What I've done is put a mount right there. I might angle the camera just slightly up so that I can see better, but I'm gonna put it up there now and let's find out. All right, we're in place. Now we just need tires. As a side note, one of the reasons that we're going 4 new tires, as you can see right there. I think I can get that on video all right. They are needing replaced, but we went into this purchase knowing that they would need replaced, so now we're buying tires. Well, since I got a little bit more of some wait time on me, let's go find a geocache. There's one about 300 feet from here. All right, we're coming up to it. Looks like it's right over here. Definitely a lot of muggles around here on this one, so I'll have to be inconspicuous. Kind of hard to be fully inconspicuous with the camera. It's as much of a hint as I'm going to get you, other than it's a tricky little micro. Good times. That was a good quick cache while waiting. Only took maybe 5 minutes, but not bad. So one of the things that may have come up is why Les Schwab versus Big O Tires versus Firestone, etc. And there's 2 things that are a major factor for why I chose to come here to Les Schwab. And that is this map right here. On this map you can see that there are locations all over the place. In the western United States anyway. For everywhere that we plan on going, I know that if I had to come back and have a tire replacement, anything, service, etc., I know that there's going to be one relatively nearby that I can make a stop at. The second thing that was a major factor for me was the warranty. So how do you track a warranty on a trailer where you're not, able to easily track the miles for a warranty status? Well, for them, they do it by tread depth. And so as long as the tire is within 30 seconds, I think it was, then they replace the tire for free. If there's a blowout, anything along those lines, it's all prorated. It's all part of the service that's with it, obviously, for all the current details for their current warranty status. Go check it out with them. But they got a lot of things going for them, for me anyways. And so if you are in the western United States, definitely check out Les Schwab. All right, and there we have 4 brand new tires on the trailer, good to go, all paid up. Came out to $482.94, and that's the price you pay while you're out on the road for some peace of mind, the warranty. We are good to go for some upcoming trips. I want to say thank you very much to Les Schwab Tires. They did some awesome work, really good job. Thank you very much, and we will catch you guys on an upcoming adventure. See ya.